welcome to this live webinar on exploring ICICI Direct Markets app. First of all, I would like to thank all our customers for trusting the app, and I feel delighted to announce that the app has now over 20 lakh downloads. Quickly, I'll introduce myself and then we will set the agenda of this webinar. I am Abhishek Bharti, the product manager for Markets app. In this call, I will be demonstrating the key features of the app, how to use the watch list, charts, how to place order on the app, and much more as we move along. We will be taking up questions towards the end of the session. So it's a request for all the viewers over here just to put their doubts on the chat. One by one, we will take them. Just to introduce ICICI Direct Markets app, it is an app that allows traders to invest and trade in stocks, F&O, commodity, and currency. Not just this, users can also invest in IPO, one-click basket using this application. The app comes with live streaming charts. You can see live prices across all the pages, all the screens of the app. OI graph on option chain. Swipe to buy sell feature is it's a really great feature. It's for faster transaction. You will see a consolidated PLL across asset classes. You get to see a biometric based login. We will deep dive into this and we will see how it is helping customers just to log in within 2-3 seconds of the app without OTP. We'll just get into that also as we start the demo. You get to see a personalized watch list. You get to see 4 watch lists and how you can personalize those. You get predefined list as well. You get to see other features, a pool of features, easy options, trade execution algos. You get to see research recommendation on the app. And from the research recommendation, you can directly place orders. So it's an actionable research that you get to see and much more. The app also comes in dark mode, light mode, whatever mode you want to see the app in, it's there, thereby enhancing the visual ergonomics of the app. So just to move on, we'll move on to the app and start the demo. So I'll present my screen now, mobile screen. Getting on to the screen. So directly we'll start from downloading the app. So on the Play Store, App Store, at both places, the app is available. So you have to just write ICICI Direct Markets and just give a search, and right there you will find it, ICICI Direct Markets. So this is the app that you can see on the screen. You have to just download this. So let's download the app and let's start from the beginning. So the app has been downloaded. Let's open the app. So this is the login page that you get into, and you just have to enter your user ID. So I'll do that straight away. So that's the one-time OTP that it will be asking for. As you might already be aware of the two-factor authentication login that has already been there in place, and every time you log in, you require an OTP for the day if you don't log out. So I'll tell you how you can use this app to just get logged in. So I'll just enter the OTP. So when you have entered the OTP, it asks you to enter a PIN. So instead of password, you can enter PIN. So you can use both. You can enter, if you remember the password well and good enough, you can also set a PIN every time. So I have just setting up a demo PIN. And then you will get to enable biometric login. So biometric login, it is advisable. It is recommended that you select on allow so that the biometric login is enabled. Now, how it is useful, we'll get to know. So for the first page, when you log into the app, the first page that you log in is the watch list page. So it's an empty watch list page. It's on you what you want to add. So you can add stocks, you can add F&O contracts, you can add commodity, currency, anything on the watch list. So before getting into the watch list, let us understand how the biometric login will help you the next time you log in. So let us log out of this account and try to log in again. So we have logged out. Now just go down, maybe Face ID, Finger ID, whatever biometric is there, just select on that and you're logged in. It's as simple as that. No need to enter OTP again. So it's very smooth process. Even let me tell you, say for example, you are trading, you are using the web platform. So on the web platform, you must be aware of the login through the web, scan for web login feature is given on the login page. So simply on the page, the app you have logged in, go to more section, and on the top you will get to see scan for web login. It is being highlighted. So you click on scan for web login and you simply log in without entering any OTP. So after the two-factor authentication, it is highly recommended that you use MarketSap for logging into the website version as well using this feature. Let us get into the watch list. So we will understand how we will create watch list, how we will be adding stocks, how we'll be editing watch list. So everything about the watch list, let's get to see over here. So first thing is that how you can add stocks to your watch list. So there are two ways how you can do that. So one is add script to watch list that you can see over here. It's written, or you can select this search icon that is on the top. So I'm just highlighting the search icon so that you can see the search icon. You can select and you can search for stocks. So let's go to add for, and say for example, you are adding ITC. So you just select search ITC and you can add ITC and it gets added. Just go back and you will see ITC there. It's as simple as that. Say for example, and so let me tell you that there are 4 watch lists. So simply there is a drop down present over here. Just drop down and then you will see watch list 1, watch list 2, watch list 3, watch list 4. And in one watch list, you can add up to 50 stocks. So in all total, you can add 200 of stocks on your watch list as per your requirement. So let us see, if you move to watch list 2, this is the watch list 2 that we are in. You can select over here, you can add Reliance, for example, and I added Reliance Industries. Just go back, you will see Reliance added over there. Coming to watch list 1, let us add an F&O contract and see. So simply go to search. So now you can see, you can simply add F&O contracts directly from here. Simply, we are adding it, go back, you can see it. One more thing that you were able to see was that you can add multiple stocks at a time. So there is no need that you have to search and go again, go back. So simply from here, you search Nifty 18,500 and you directly got all, you just clicked on plus and all got it added together in the watch list. So that's it. So see, you can see that we have added stocks, we have added F&O contracts. Same for commodity, currency, you can add any of those. Let us now add few other stocks. Say, let us add ICICI Bank over here. So few stocks we have added. Let us now understand the sorting option, editing. Say for example, now you want to remove ITC from this watch list that you have created. So simply long press this stock. Long pressing, you will get to the edit watch list page. Now to remove ITC, what you need to do, you need to select this delete icon and you need to select the tick that you can see at the bottom. You select tick and ITC goes away. Let's add ITC again and understand few more features. So I have added back ITC. Now, so you want to sort over here. So there are sorting option. You can sort according to name. So double press, you will get it ascending, descending as you want. If you double press this one, you can sort it as per price. So you can see they are changing. Another feature that you can see, the streams are streaming. As I move ahead with the discussion, you can see the prices are streaming continuously. So anywhere, go to any page, any prices, anywhere. So you will see all the prices streaming right across. So that's a live streaming app for you. So let us get back to the watch list. So go to long press this one. Now over here says, for example, you want to bring ITC towards the down. So what you have to do is you have to long press this hamburger menu that you can see over here. This hamburger menu, and you can just simply drag and bring ITC to the bottom. And then select tick, you can see ITC has gone down. So it is as simple as that. Say for example, you want to delete all stocks. Say I have only 4 or 5 stocks. You can just go delete this one and it goes away. But say for example, You want to delete entire stocks in the watch list. Say, for example, somebody has added 45, 46 stocks and he wants to get rid of that and wants to add some fresh stocks. So what they have to do is that simply they can click on delete, and entire watch list will go away. You will come to a new phase. So that's entire watch list has gone away. Now you can add stocks over here. It's as simple as that. Let's move to the next watch list. So this was about watch list. So another thing that you will be able to see, we are moving across screens. You can see Nifty 50 and Sensex on the top. So at any point of time, you can keep an eye on the market using Markets app. It's as smooth, as simple as that. So let us place an order and see how you can place an order. So placing an order can be done in two ways. One can be from the watch list. So for example, I have added ITC, say for example. So one you can add from here. You simply click on this and you can select the exchange. NSE, BSE is here. And say one more thing, I'll just tell you. Say for example, you have searched for some stock. Say for example, you have searched ICICI Bank and you have gone to this page and it is not there on any of your watch list. So now you can see buy sell is there. You can see exchange, NSE, BSE. You can see show chart. You can see a bookmark over here. So let us understand what bookmark is. So if you select on bookmark, it is another way to add stock to your watch list. So you select that, you select watch list one, add as shows added ICICI Bank to watch list one. So go back, you can see ICICI Bank on watch list one. So it's as simple as that. Let us place an order. So here you click the stock from the watch list. You can go over here, or from, as I said, you can select ITC over here. You can click on this instead of adding it. You can just select the exchange. Say for example, I'm selecting BSE. Yes, I'm selecting NSE and I'm selecting buy. So now we have moved on to the buy page. So here you can see the products. So we have delivery, we have intraday, we have MTF and cover. So every product is available over here on this page. So now I'm selecting delivery type. I'm giving a limit price, say for example 340. I just place on buy and I swipe, order is submitted. It is as simple as that. Order placement with Markets app is very simple. Now, for example, you have already placed an order, delivery order, and you want to cancel the order. So it's in the pending tab. You can see the order that has been placed into the limit order. You want to modify that order. You go to modify page. You can modify the order. If you want to cancel the order, simply click on cancel, swipe to cancel, and the order will get canceled. Order submitted. It is as simple as that. It has moved to executed tab as cancelled order. So this is how order placement is very easy. Let's see how to place an intraday order. So for intraday traders, let us understand how to place intraday trade, a margin trade on Markets app. So you select the exchange, you select buy, you select intraday over here, you select the quantity, you select, I'm placing a limit order over here, you select buy, you get to see this order confirmation page, get to see the order type, the product that you're placing order in, and the stock settlement type T+2. You click on order, place order, order gets submitted. Again, if you go to orders, you will see in pending order, it's on you what you want to do. So for example, you want to get quotes, so you can land on the get quotes page from there itself. You want to see the market depth, every data is available over here. You can see the open, high, low, LTP. You can see the average traded price, previous close, the volume. So everything, the upper circuit, lower circuit, every single data about the stock is available on this page, the stock overview page, as we call it. And say, for example, I cancel it, I click on cancel. And as you can see, in just 2-3 stages, the order is simply getting canceled. Execution is so smooth for the app. So this was about placing order. One more thing, say, for example, if somebody is an MTF order, wants to pay later. So for example, he can place from here, from the MTF page also, and from the delivery page also it is possible. So simply after entering, there is a toggle button at the bottom. He needs to just toggle this and then he can buy it using MTF. So in MTF, you can buy it by paying a small margin amount. It is like from 25%, depends stock to stock. And then you have 365 days to bring in the other amount that you have not paid that time. So let's move on. Let's understand. So this was about placing an order. So from watch list, you saw how you can place an order. Also through search, how you can place an order. Apart from that, from watch list, so you got to understand that you can add multiple stocks at a time. Let us now understand how you can track index over here. So for example, you can see Nifty 50 Sensex at the top. You long press that one. So I'm just long pressing. I'll show it again. You long press on that Nifty 50. On the top, you can see Nifty 50 in Sensex. You have to long press Nifty 50 and this will come up. Say somebody wants to see Nifty Bank. He clicks on Nifty Bank at the top and he gets to see that one. Say somebody doesn't want to see Sensex over here and wants Nifty 50. He simply selects Nifty 50 and that gets changed. So it's customizable, up to you what the index that you want to see. It's not that we want to show you Nifty 50 and Sensex, so you have to see that. So it's completely on the customers, on your end, what you want to see, what you want to track, and that's how simple it is. So you can simply select on Nifty 50 and you can see charts, you can see the overview, entire thing is present over there. Now let us see. So my watch list is the part we have already discussed. Let us go to predefined watch list that is present over here. So what is predefined watch list? So we have already defined on basis of index, on the basis of industry, on the basis of business, on the both NSE and BSE listed companies. So say, for example, somebody wants to see the stocks in Nifty 50. So simply over here, he can see the entire stock. Somebody wants to see Nifty 500. So entire stocks is listed over here. And say, for example, somebody going through that wants to add stock to the watch list. So it's very simple. Just you need to click on plus, select the watch list where you want to add, just gets added. It's as simple. So in the predefined list also, you can add stocks. You can select BSE, you can select BSE 100, anything, any stocks from the predefined list, you can just select and you can move to. Moving on to the index tab. So you can just see the indices over here. The global indices also tab is also available, wherein you can see the global market, what happening in the global market is as a very important part. So we have also placed it in the watch list tab. Moving on to summary page. So in the summary page, what do you get to see? So what in the summary page, you will get to see the top traded, which are the top gainers, which are the top losers. So such kind of information is also available on this app. So that's from the watch list side. Let us now understand the orders tab. So already we had placed some orders. Some were orders that were pending and I had cancelled it. So you can see in the cancelled part. So this is the orders tab. Let us understand. Say, for example, you want to see what were the orders that you have placed this month. So here simply you need to select the date. So I'll show you again the date that you can see over here on the top. You need to select the date and you need to select, say, for example, you want to see how many orders. So you can select days as, say, for example, from October, you want to see till 16th November, what are the orders that you have placed. So simply click on apply, you will get 96 executed orders. So now say, for example, you want to sort this one. The sorting option is also available. You want to see how many orders you have placed in MTF. So you simply have to select MTF and the MTF orders will be listed over here. The executed, expired, cancelled. So say, for example, you want to remove those also, you can remove. You want only MTF that are executed, select both, you will get MTF executed orders as you can see on the screen. I hope this is clear to you all. So I'll just show you once again. This is the sorting option. And say you want to clear this, you just clear it and you get all the options over here. You want to see NSE, you want to the limit orders that you had placed, buy, sell, so everything. So every option you get to see over here. You want to change it as per name, you want to change it as per date, purchase price, percentage change. Every option, every sorting option is available on this tab. So on the orders page, it's very much, you can search older orders, the orders you have placed on a particular date. You can sort it, you can visualize it, you can analyze it. Anything you want to do, you can do it as per your convenience. So let us move to the portfolio page. Say, for example, somebody has taken an MTF position. So you can see that position in the open position page, as you can see Tata Steel MTF position. And down there, you can see it was a buy, MTF buy. So it's highlighted over there. So you can, and if you want any details about your transaction, you need to simply click on this one and you will get the entire details over here, the trigger price, amount payable, minimum margin amount. So we are not getting into that. So just every details we'll get over here. Now let us see the portfolio tab. So one more thing you can see, the uppermost tab, the indices, and the lowermost band that you can see, watch list, order, portfolio, tools, and more. These both part remains fixed on the app. So you are moving from here there smoothly. So it as fast as it is. Believe me, just go to the App Store, Play Store, just download the app and just move from this section to another. You will understand how smooth this app is. And with the versions that are coming up, if you already have the app, we'll request you to upgrade your app to the latest version, as we are constantly working. Our technology team is continuously, our product team is continuously working for this app to make it a beautiful, a great experience for our users. So now coming back to the portfolio page. So this is the overview page that you can see, wherein you can see the stocks, you can see mutual fund, you can see everything. So entire portfolio that you have, you can see the entire thing over here. So these are the demat holdings that you have. The demat holdings will be visible over here. You can see the open positions over here. You can see the equity portfolio. So what is the value at cost and everything. So for example, value at market, value at cost. If you select on that, you can see unrealized PNL, realized PNL. So you can just see it. You can see FNO portfolio, commodity portfolio, currency portfolio. So everything about your portfolio is covered, and your open position is covered in the portfolio tab. Let's come into the tools section. So one more thing before going to the tool section, let us understand how you can allocate fund. As I can see questions coming up on how somebody can do fund allocation. So for fund allocation, we will move to the more section. So there we were on the watch list page. You can see the last tab. So watch list, orders, portfolio, tools, and more. So you simply need to go to the more section. On the top, you need to select manage funds. Now you're on the manage funds page. Simply, you need to select allocate funds. Say, for example, you want to allocate 2,000 rupees. You simply click on add and it gets added. See, the total limit has increased. Say, for example, now you want to reduce fund. You want to reduce, say, for example, 2,000, you want to reduce. Click on reduce. It gets reduced. You can see the amount is now reduced. It's 2,389. It was 4,389 before. So it gets reduced. Same if so the segment is on you, the segment that you're trading in, you are an equity trader, FNO, commodity, currency. For your respective, you can allocate fund. So for example, say for example, somebody for doing currency, he adds 2,000, he clicks on add. So yeah, so they can do it over here. So everything for every trader is available in this section. So this is here, manage funds, and here you can add it. So this was about how you can manage your fund, how you can allocate fund. So let us move to the tool section, which is an interesting part. So now you can see basket order over here. So this feature is currently not available for App Store. In a day or two, we have started rolling out for our customer in the Play Store. Currently, it is available only on App Store. In the Play Store, you will soon see it. In 1-2 days, you will get it. So this is the basket that you can cover. So we are not covering basket orders in deep over here. You can definitely refer to other videos that are available on our channel. Coming to research ideas, we'll get to research ideas in deep. You get to see execution algos. You get to see easy options, which is actually trading in options has become very simple using easy options. You get to see flash trade coming soon. So it's a very trendy product of ICICI Direct. Many of it's very popular among our traders. So you get to see, if you want to experience it, you can experience it on our website. And we are launching it on our mobile app, Markets app, very soon. So getting to our research ideas, that's where everything lies. So here you can see trading, investing, ideas, everything is available. So say for example, over here you get to see intraday, you get to see momentum, you get to see investment in large cap, mid cap. So any information, any idea that is coming out, award-winning research team, you get to see over here. So for example, you want to see a trading idea. So you get to see Kotak Mahindra Bank. You want to buy it. You simply click on buy. You select the exchange. If you want to see get quote, you get to see over here. If you don't want to see it, you want to directly place an order, click on buy, and it simply takes you to the buy page. It's as simple as that. And you add it, and just you can place an order. You want to buy Infosys, buy here, select the exchange, click on buy, and order will be executed. You can see the exchange has been pre-filled. The order as you want to buy, you can buy and it will be done. So it's as simple as that. So trading ideas, investment ideas. So one-click equity, the equity basket is also present over here. So you can see the best performing one-click equity. You can see the most popular, the newly launched, and you can directly place order. You can click on buy and you can buy it from this app itself. Same goes for future and option, commodity, currency. Now coming to the report sections, you can see report section present on this app. So it's a commonly visited feature that many customers say that we have to visit the website for this. So there is no need to visit our website for this part. You can directly get it on this app. So you get to see the opening bell. So when you click the opening bell, our report for today, so you can see the date over here, November 16th, opens up and you can just go through this one. So that's done. You can see today's pick. You can read company reports. So simply say what you want to read about some of the companies, some analyst report that has come in. So simply click on this PDF and you get to see about the Container Corporation of India. So it's a buy call. So you can see, you can read the entire analyst note that has come in. So from here itself, you can just get to see this one. So moving back to reports. Say, for example, you want to see about Hindalco Industries, just click on the PDF and Hindalco Industry opens up. You get to see the CMP, the target price given our research team and target period from here directly from this research report. So it's as simple as that. You can leverage this section and directly place orders from this. So this is one thing. If you want to see, if you are you want to see news that is coming up, the top news, the trending news in the market, you can directly move to tools. You can go to research ideas, just slide this one, and the last tab is news section. You will get to see the news from here itself. So this is as simple as that. So you are getting it, and let's move on to the next part. So this was about tool and research. So the entire thing was about tools. You understood what basket order is. You will be getting it soon. Research ideas, execution algos are just smart orders. Want to get better prices. If you want to know more, you can visit our website, or you can see several videos that we have floated on our YouTube channel. You can just refer to those. Easy options and flash trade. Now let's get on to the more section. So what all in the more section that you will be getting. So before getting into the more section, I can see some of the comments that are already coming up in the chat. So the versions that is available on this. So how you can change the color. So by default, this is a dark theme that we have given. What you need to do is that you need to select this search icon, this setting icon, as I'm highlighting. I'll just highlight it again. In the more section, you will get the setting icon. You simply go here, go to themes, the first one. You want a lighter theme is available. So this is a light theme. So it's on preference of your customer. Somebody prefers light theme, dark theme. So it's a black theme is also available. So let's go on. So over here, theme. Somebody wants to prefer dark theme and somebody wants to prefer black theme. So it's a black theme also available. So let's remain on the dark theme for some time. And so this is how you can change the theme. You have to go to settings. You have to select theme. If you want to change password, you can do it over here. Right over, you can write the old password, new password, enter it, and it gets changed. What is charts? Let us understand charts also, how you can do it. So say, for example, you are selecting ICICI Bank. So on the stock overview page now you are. So you can see show chart. Some basic chart is available right over here. But say, for example, you want to see the advanced chart, that is a trading view chart. You simply have to select show chart over here. That you can see that as I'm highlighting right now, just below sell. Simply click on show chart and the trading view chart will load. So I'll just rotate my screen for better viewing. Maybe it's taking some time to load. Just a second. Yeah. So now over here, you can see the charts. So here, for example, it's a trading view chart. If you want to know more in details, we already have videos present to know more about the trading view charts, how you can leverage this chart, how you can make the most out of your trades, your investment. So you simply need to go to our channel and you need to see how to leverage on this. But on the Markets app, you get to see trading view charts. You select candle, you want a line chart, you get it over here. You want to select area, baseline, anything, any such things. You want to say it for 5 years, you need to select over here 3 months, 1 month. So every detail is available. A trading view chart is available given for our customers. Let's move on. Let's see how you can say, for example, somebody wants some other charts. So what are the charts that are available for our customers? Go to settings, go to charts. So currently we are providing 3 kinds of charts. You have TradingView, you have Chart IQ, you have Intellect. So somebody wants to prefer Chart IQ, simply click on Chart IQ. So you need to select over here and it gets to Chart IQ. Go back to your watch list, go back to ICICI Bank, show chart, it gets changed to Chart IQ. Say somebody of you might be using Chart IQ and you are thinking that you want to use TradingView. So this is how you can do that. So this is simply for chart. This is Chart IQ you can use. So we are not getting into deep about this one. But the most important thing is how you can change the chart is you have to select the setting icon, you have to select chart, and you can view the chart whatever you want for your account. So this was about chart section. So let us see. So this is how you can change the charts. So let us, I think, so the biometric one, if somebody, I see common comments that the biometric, they are not able to enable it. So if for somebody the biometric is not enabled, they simply have to go here and have to select this one, and the biometric will be enabled for the customer. And this is the account information that you have. You can simply download this app and you can explore it on your own. If you want to change the access code, that the code that I had initially put, that I said instead of password, you can use an access code, you can do it right over here. So this feature is also available. Somebody, some of the comments is asking about how they can invest in IPO from this page. So you have to simply visit more section. In more section, you can see IPO, FPO, buyback is available. So I'm highlighting it over here. So you can simply click on that and you can go. On this page also, you can get several things. You can get OFS, Global Invest, My Network. You can check your net worth. You can check the cash position. Everything is available on this page. Let us see one more important thing, that is brokerage. Say you want to change your brokerage plan. So you have to go to your brokerage plan over here, select brokerage plan. You simply need to click on select brokerage plan and your brokerage plan will open up. So this is a select brokerage plan that is available over here. So since I'm an employee, it's an employee scheme that I will match to, but whatever it is for you, so you can upgrade to Prime, you can see prepaid over here. You simply click on Prime plan. So whatever Prime plan you want to take, you simply select that one and you complete this journey and you become a Prime customer. So this is how you can change your brokerage from this app. So it's simply over here. You need to go at your service section. In the more section, you will get at your service. You can get a pledge confirmation link from here. So everything is available at this ICICI Direct Neo. Contact us. Everything is available. You get to see the margin details. You get to see, say, for example, we have sent you some messages that you want to see. So you have to go to My Messages. And in My Messages tab, you will get to see the messages that has come to you. So My Messages, the My Messaging is also available at this time. So I think that's it from the app side. I'll quickly move on to the questions that have come in from the customers, from you all. I'll just stop presenting my screen. So the first question that I can see is, I'm not able to see mutual fund on the app. So mutual fund, this app is for, I'll just clarify this one, that this app is for stocks, F&O, commodity, currency traders. So if you are using any of these 4 sections, you have to use Markets app. And if you want to use mutual fund, you can do on the website. You have to use our other apps. I'm not able to reduce funds from the app. So how to allocate and deallocate funds? Maybe you can move back to the video a little bit where I had shown allocation and deallocation of funds, how you can do that. So basically you have to move. So I'll just show it to you once again. So basically what you have to do, I'll just share my screen once more. So, yeah. So I think my screen is now visible. Simply you need to open here. You need to go to more section. You need to go to, so you are looking for allocation. So you need to go to manage funds. You need to go to more section. You need to go to manage funds over here. Say, for example, you want to add in F&O. So go to F&O, go to allocate fund, enter the amount, say 1,000, go to add, and it gets added. You can see 1,000 has been added. You want to reduce the amount, select 1,000, select reduce, it gets reduced. It's as simple as that. Where can I see my orders placed, when holders orders placed? This was also said in this. So if you want to see your older orders, you need to go to orders tab that is present over here. Go to this date section. Say, for example, you want to see for November. So go to 10. So as you saw, I just cover one more point. So you saw that the date that by default, it came to the October month, because this app actually works on machine learning. It understands what you had done previously. So you had selected, you had gone to that month, so it brings you right there. Say, for example, you continuously place cover orders, margin plus in margin plus segment you are trading, you're intraday trader. So it will take you to margin plus rather than taking you to other tabs. So it simply uses machine learning. It understands what your preferences are, and then it showcases you. So it's completely on that. So yeah, just coming to my point back, say for example, on the 10th, what transactions you had done, you select 10th, okay, you select apply. So you get to see there is one executed order that has been cancelled in delivery. That was for IDFC First Bank. So you get to see everything on this itself. Cannot find the IPO section. Can you guide? So yeah, go to more section. Under equity, you can see IPO. Just simply click on that and you can apply to IPO. How many charts are available on the app? So this is also there. So there are 3 kinds of charts that you can see. Go to settings, go to charts. So there is trading view, there is chart IQ, there is intellect available on this markets app. You can use any of those as per your preference choice. You just get to see, explore. You would not to explore, just click on that, explore anything, any chart, and as per your preference, simply use it. Cannot download all statement and report available on your website. Where is in the app can I get it? So now, for example, all statement reports might not be available on the app because this app, we have deliberately not made it heavy. So if we place all the apps, statement and report on this app might get heavier. So the most important statement and reports that you want is already available over here. So you can get it. The important statement and report that is available, you can get from here itself, from statement and report. But for most, if you are not getting it on this app, you have to visit the website. Also, we are trying our best to bring in most of the important reports that are on the website on this app. How to subscribe to notification? Right now, a notification is not enabled on this app. So for notification, what you have to do is, for the important notification that we send, you can get it in my messages, as I already said before. And for this notification is not yet enabled for this app. Not getting basket order and flash trade on app. When to expect? So as I said, basket order is now live on the iOS. If you're an iOS user, from the App Store, if you just upgrade your app, you'll get basket order. For Play Store, we are rolling it out to customers, or you can expect in a week's time, it will be there on your phone. For flash trade, we are also working on flash trade, and already, as you can see in the tool section, flash trade is coming soon. So you can expect it in a week or 2. So it will be there for both Play Store, App Store. Everything will be available. When I delete app, watchlist vanishes, what to do? So yeah, I'm very happy that you have asked this question on deleting the app, watchlist vanishes. So we are also working on this. We are bringing a common watchlist. So every watchlist across ICICI that you have would get synced, and whenever you delete the app or maybe reinstall it, so it will not come, or whenever you are using a new app, so you will get glued to the watch list that you have made before, and nothing will get deleted. So that's it. I think that's coming in from the question side. I think the session was, I'll just stop sharing the screen. And I think I was able to make you understand how useful Markets app is and how customers are leveraging on this. Some 20-25 lakh customers we have already, and the rating, if you see, it's 4.2 now on Play Store. So customers are really liking this app and will urge you to download this app and use it. So that's it. For more, you can simply visit our website and you can check out our Markets app landing page. Over there, you can get each and every details. You can get what to do if you have frequently asked questions are present over there. There are videos, some demo videos also available. There are some 8 videos available on YouTube. You can search those, you can view those. You will get each and everything present. Thank you so much for joining in for this session. Have a great day. Thanks.